Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Priyanka. I hope you all are doing well and I'm here with my another video. So in this video I have created hot red berry eye makeup look for red outfit. So without wasting the time, start the video. So now I'm starting to my skincare first before applying the makeup. First I'm gonna use Good Vibes Rose Glow Toner. I'm in love with this toner because it gives my skin an instant glow and keeps skin fresh and hydrated all day long. Next I'm gonna use Good Vibes Rose Hip Face Serum. It helps lower skin dullness and increase the instant glow of your skin. You just need to 2 to 3 drops for your face. The serum is super lightweight and get absorbed into the skin in a minute. Next I'm going to use Lakme Invisible Finish Foundation SPF 8 in the shade number 02. The foundation comes with a matte finish and perfectly blend and full coverage for a flawless base. I'm blending the foundation with this beauty blender, and remember, wet the blender first and then apply. Next I'm gonna use Swiss Beauty's concealer in the shade 03 Sand Saver for cover my under eye. Next I'm gonna use Faces Canada Compact. It instantly smooth and matte finish look and it controls oil free for some 3 to 4 hours. Next I'm going to use this Beauty Glazed eyeshadow palette. I'm applying the peach shade for my crease area with the help of my fluffy blending brush. And then I pick the red color of this palette for my outer corner and blend it out with the help of fluffy blending brush. Then I am using the champagne shade of this palette for my inner corner and middle of the lid area. Now I am using the Miss Rose liquid eyeliner in the shade of rose gold and I am applying the outline of my upper lid area. Next I am using the Color Bar Ultimate Eyeliner. It is a good black liquid liner and this is my favorite because it's smudge proof, waterproof, jet black in color and long lasting for hours. Okay, so done with my eye makeover. Next I am using the Blue Heaven Brow Definer and shade brown. This eyebrow pen comes with spoolie slant tip to achieve the perfect shape of the eyebrow. Next I am using the brown nude shade lipstick as a blush. It's a creamy lipstick so it's a very easy to blend. Next I am using Inside Duo 2-in-1 stick for highlighter. I'm applying the highlighter help of my fingers on my cheekbones, tip of the nose, ridge of the nose and the little bit of chin area. Next I'm gonna use Stay Quirky lipstick in the shade Tease 1. Then I'm adding the nude shade of lipstick for the natural and light tone on my lips. So next I'm gonna use Maybelline Colossal Waterproof Mascara for my lashes. And last step, I'm using Swiss Beauty's makeup fixer. I'm just 2 to 3 spray on my face and done with my makeup. And this is my final makeup look. So this is my full final makeup look. I hope you liked it. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit bell icon. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.